A one-story wood frame office space requires several essential systems to ensure safety, comfort, and functionality. These systems can be broadly categorized into fire protection systems, mechanical systems, electrical systems, plumbing systems, security systems, and other systems. Firstly, fire protection systems are crucial. These include a fire sprinkler system, which is a network of pipes and sprinkler heads designed to extinguish or suppress fires. Secondly, a fire alarm and detection system, which detects and alerts occupants to the presence of fire and initiates evacuation procedures. Moving on to mechanical systems, there is a heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, commonly referred to as an HVAC system, that maintains comfortable indoor temperatures and air quality. Then there is an exhaust system which removes pollutants, odors, and smoke from the air. In terms of electrical systems, there is electrical wiring and lighting, which provides power and illumination throughout the space. Additionally, an emergency lighting system provides backup lighting in case of power outages. Plumbing systems include a water supply system which supplies water to plumbing fixtures. There is also a wastewater disposal system that removes wastewater from toilets, sinks, and other fixtures. Security systems are also important. An intrusion alarm system detects unauthorized entry and alerts occupants and authorities. Also included is an access control system which restricts access to the building or certain areas. Other systems to consider include an elevator system which provides vertical transportation for occupants with disabilities or for moving heavy equipment if the building design incorporates any changes in elevation. A data and communication system facilitates data transfer, email, and internet access. Finally, a building management system, often abbreviated as BMS, provides centralized control and monitoring of building systems for energy efficiency and maintenance. Diving deeper into fire protection systems, the fire sprinkler system typically consists of a network of piping, usually installed overhead, containing water under pressure. When a fire occurs, the heat activates the sprinkler heads in the immediate vicinity, releasing water to suppress or extinguish the flames. The design and installation of fire sprinkler systems must comply with local building codes and National Fire Protection Association standards. Fire alarm and detection systems use various types of sensors, such as smoke detectors, heat detectors, and flame detectors, to identify the presence of fire. When a fire is detected, the system activates audible and visual alarms to alert occupants. Fire alarm systems can also be connected to a central monitoring station, which automatically notifies the fire department in the event of an alarm. Regarding mechanical systems, the HVAC system typically includes components such as air handlers, chillers, boilers, and ductwork. The system regulates temperature, humidity, and airflow to maintain a comfortable and healthy indoor environment. The exhaust system is designed to remove contaminants from the air, such as fumes, odors, and dust. This is particularly important in areas such as restrooms, kitchens, and storage rooms. Moving on to electrical systems, electrical wiring and lighting must be installed in accordance with the National Electrical Code, or NEC. The wiring must be properly sized to handle the electrical load, and all electrical components must be grounded to prevent electrical shock hazards. Emergency lighting systems provide illumination during power outages, allowing occupants to safely evacuate the building. These systems typically include battery-powered lights and generators. Plumbing systems must be designed and installed to meet local plumbing codes. The water supply system must provide an adequate supply of potable water for drinking, washing, and sanitation. The wastewater disposal system must effectively remove sewage and other waste materials from the building. Security systems help protect the building and its occupants from unauthorized access and theft. Intrusion alarm systems use sensors such as door and window contacts, motion detectors, and glass break detectors to detect unauthorized entry. Access control systems use various methods such as keycards, keypad codes, and biometric scanners to restrict access to the building or specific areas. Considering other systems, an elevator system is required in buildings with multiple floors to provide access for people with disabilities. Data and communication systems provide the necessary infrastructure for internet access, telephone service, and data transfer. A building management system is a computerized system that controls and monitors various building systems such as HVAC, lighting, and security. The BMS can be used to optimize energy efficiency, improve building performance, and reduce operating costs. In summary, a one-story wood frame office space requires a comprehensive set of systems to ensure safety, comfort, and functionality. These systems must be designed, installed, and maintained in accordance with applicable codes and standards. Going back to fire protection, sprinkler systems are hydraulically calculated to ensure adequate water density is applied to the fire area. This calculation takes into account the size and occupancy hazard of the space. Different types of sprinkler heads are available depending on the application, such as pendant, upright, and sidewall sprinklers. The fire alarm system is designed to provide early warning of a fire, allowing occupants to evacuate safely. The system is typically monitored by a central station, which can dispatch the fire department in the event of an alarm. The HVAC system is designed to maintain comfortable temperatures and air quality throughout the year. The system can include heating, cooling, and ventilation equipment. The HVAC system should be designed to meet the specific needs of the office space, taking into account factors such as occupancy, building orientation, and climate. Electrical systems are the backbone of any modern office space. They provide power for lighting, equipment, and other devices. The electrical system must be designed and installed to meet the requirements of the NEC and local codes. The plumbing system provides water for drinking, washing, and sanitation. The system must be designed and installed to meet the requirements of local plumbing codes. The security system is designed to protect the office space from unauthorized access and theft. The system can include features such as alarms, access control, and surveillance cameras. The data and communication system provides the necessary infrastructure for internet access, telephone service, and data transfer. The system should be designed to meet the current and future needs of the office space. The building management system is a centralized system that controls and monitors various building systems such as HVAC, lighting, and security. The system can be used to optimize energy efficiency, improve building performance, and reduce operating costs. Consider the importance of regular inspections and maintenance of all these systems. Fire protection systems should be inspected and tested regularly to ensure they are in proper working order. HVAC systems should be maintained to ensure efficient operation and good air quality. Electrical systems should be inspected to identify potential hazards. Plumbing systems should be checked for leaks and other problems. Security systems should be tested to ensure they are functioning properly. The building management system should be monitored to ensure it is operating effectively. The specific requirements for each of these systems will vary depending on the size and occupancy of the office space, as well as local codes and regulations. It is important to consult with qualified professionals to ensure that all systems are properly designed, installed, and maintained. Also, the integration of these systems is important. For example, the fire alarm system can be integrated with the HVAC system to shut down the air handlers in the event of a fire, preventing the spread of smoke. The security system can be integrated with the lighting system to turn on lights when an alarm is triggered. The building management system can be used to monitor and control all of these systems, providing a comprehensive view of the building's operation. When selecting systems for an office space, it is important to consider the long-term costs and benefits. Energy-efficient systems can save money on utility bills, while durable systems can reduce maintenance costs. It is also important to consider the impact of the systems on the environment. Sustainable building practices can help to reduce the building's carbon footprint. Furthermore, the importance of proper documentation cannot be overstated. Detailed drawings and specifications should be prepared for all systems, and these documents should be kept up to date. Operation and maintenance manuals should be provided to building staff, and training should be provided on the proper operation and maintenance of the systems. Emergency procedures should be developed and communicated to all occupants. Regular drills should be conducted to ensure that occupants are familiar with the procedures. By taking these steps, you can ensure that the one-story wood frame office space is safe, comfortable, and functional for all occupants. Also remember to consult with local authorities and code officials to ensure compliance with all applicable regulations. They can provide guidance on specific requirements and help to ensure that the systems meet the needs of the office space. Considering fire resistance rated construction may be required in certain areas of the building, depending on the occupancy and the size of the building. Fire resistance rated construction is designed to prevent the spread of fire and smoke, providing occupants with more time to evacuate. The selection of appropriate materials for the building construction is also important. Some materials are more fire resistant than others. The use of fire-resistant materials can help to reduce the risk of fire and improve the safety of the building. Additionally, the importance of proper ventilation should be considered. Adequate ventilation is essential for maintaining good indoor air quality. The ventilation system should be designed to remove pollutants from the air and provide fresh air to occupants. Emergency power systems should be considered. Emergency power systems provide backup power in the event of a power outage. These systems can be used to power critical equipment, such as lighting, fire pumps, and communication systems. Regular testing of the emergency power system ensures proper functionality when needed. Addressing accessibility for people with disabilities is paramount. Compliance with the Americans with Disabilities Act, or ADA, requires providing accessible routes, restrooms, and other facilities. The design of the office space should take into account the needs of people with disabilities. Remember to consider future expansion and flexibility. The design of the office space should allow for future expansion and flexibility. The system should be designed to accommodate future growth and changes in technology. Planning for technology integration is also crucial. The office space should be designed to accommodate the latest technology. This includes providing adequate power, data, and communication infrastructure. Ensuring energy efficiency is paramount, therefore, the office space should be designed to be energy efficient. This includes using energy efficient lighting, HVAC systems, and building materials. Selecting appropriate finishes and furnishings is also important. The finishes and furnishings should be durable, easy to maintain, and aesthetically pleasing. Prioritizing occupant comfort is key, as the office space should be designed to be comfortable for occupants. This includes providing adequate lighting, ventilation, and temperature control. And finally, considering sustainability is crucial, as the office space should be designed to be sustainable. This includes using sustainable materials, reducing energy consumption, and minimizing waste.